big checks. Ones, fives, tens, and 20s. 100 G's and I'm pulling honey. Left and right, day and night. You gotta see it to believe it. It's quite a sight to roll on my tip. To get a sip of this poetical performer that's fully equipped. But I'm out to get paid, not to get late. All across the country, my records get played. At radio stations, clubs, and encores. And after every show, I make 3 encores. Sleep on me now. For my time will come. Ever last forever. That's why I'm number one. I got the knack. You got it, you know I feel alright. I got the knack. You got it, you know I feel alright. I got the knack. You got it, you know I feel alright. I got the knack.
Oh yeah.
Hit me.
Alright, check this out.
Step up, place your bet, and I'll serve your portion. But first I must issue just one word of caution. Dope lyric presentations on my soul notoriety. Everlasting's on the rise, moving through society. My voice is moist, reciting choice vocals.